Oh, isn't that cute?
Yeah, see? We've got the milking system in here.
Mm-hmm. Wonder how old they are. Shouldn't touch the babies.
These ones look a little bit taller than the other ones over here. A little younger.
What are you, the black sheep? Oh wait, yes you are. I'll throw this on YouTube and
They're so cute.
look at this one, resting his head, just like Hawkeye does. Oh look, over here, the whole big pile of them. They're all on top of each other.
Dickles! More just like my fingers under it. Because it's so cute. Oh, look at this one. This is a different color one.
What was that? These are tiny.
A little shy. These are young. And look how tiny they are.
Look at that little group over there.
Oh. Soft. They're so young that their poo looks like pee. Look at that.
Aw.
Will you come
What?
over to play?
Which one?
This one here. Oh.
It's chewing on your finger.
It is. It's so cute.